Hi, how are you doing? I'm Jacky Chan from Shanghai Woodyoulike Industries. We are a factory making solid wood slab table, dining chairs, kitchen countertop, wood tabletop, wood stair steps. Today I want to introduce some of all regular wood products to you. One is Sua wood slab table. Sua wood. This one is a little walnut stand. Sua wood. It's also called monkey pod wood slab. Take a listen. This is natural edge. Sua wood about 2 meter long, 90 centimeter wide. Natural edge, very popular in USA. This one straight edge for your kitchen island, kitchen countertop. This one is wangi wood from Africa. That color palm. Walnut slab. This is African king slab, quite popular in Singapore, Indonesia, and Malaysia. Monkey pod, Sua wood. American what else? This is book match. 2 piece, the same wood grain. This one is solid step, edge glued. Solid lamination, edge glued, what else? Edge, tabletop. Let's check this one. 稍微再远一点，拍到全景啊。This is book match, live edge, wood slab table. Popular in Japan, Korea, and Germany. We have some customers in Germany. They import about 100 pieces a month. What else? What else? The same. Book match. A little live edge. Slab table. Okay, thank you. See you next time.